Shugatiti. When two man co represent Ghana will be one there. Sabi. Atupa no co represent Ghana.
DJ Paco Lynch.
Nsembi yebufu. I think by 12 ni mohona. Mese miti ya me ya me relax kakra meda kakra. Ti mo ho na ma wo fast bi. Ofra na pa kojo. Ofrem. Na me so miti ya me ya manda kakra. Wara mu da miss call na calls na ma na orbe ntimi nyim de. Emergency bi abefie. Nti oida mafa. Na mafa call na was Uncle Paco. The masemi di eje chinje wa ha na wona botum a train mu yi na me say aba sam na wiabre mamanda akokra mada mo afrede mu je chinje os en inya Shugatiti a uno so botum Nasir Nasir wa baadze ho oso odi hwe na me say into the way chinjana ewiabre ma wo famanda na elframi na semana from na me so no ma call online am call research the whole issue na chere Shugatiti ke interview bi and also na ada our friend orgasm there only bingin be ya wareze wo ba have sex wo bo atopa seb infant fo ba kan ro wo bezi wo ho nana ho abaze on experience bida enti ma pomhwe dem interview na ms anya bia Shugatiti we twa no so ba na because normally fancy for the when so ba na America na asema za we twa no so ba ene bia sebi wanyene ya wareza na de wuzina sebi ma to sebio onya orgasm ya mwa pa inti muwana mbufre wa from am kohwe na chede abrante bia oye rock star oye porn star chede egugu ni dina kenazira ihwe sabi zo sein anyim na ne achievements ihude Shugatiti or wa ho if a boy in achievements nyama waye atupa wa bona nyama waya in there or a different level Shugatiti when two man co represent Ghana will be bia ho there sabi atupa ho no co represent Ghana na Miss America na there sister azare kaye Ghana nyina nizin Neza Ezra Kwan. Or today I record boxing. I catch a title. Inti Ghana ze sabi jancha fun wata wichi. Mon kwene ko jenyim gwasamba. Because impa na akede and nimpan onye small weight. Ye baby o. Se alaba na le pencil on fire ho ebenere betena so showodo on fire ho fide sabia wo yanyim de we adwumanyen obani nyama sex toys na nyama nyam na mrebe botufo asoro dada ina sisi ha na career na zer international eco represent Ghana enti yamo all the lack ya ye nyina yezremo na senyi ma brantia na kenazel na picture ni na hwe benyi no otene wa nenwa na nemfen crampenya yi demi na ye sister or the red go green or the bogunu kom so just string na obehye red go green just string na the akwa represent that yenyim abrantia yi no Shugatiti baby we kodwen match a wako tronyen na so ba no le penso wa na la na waka fra match na obi so ahya ne bo de so tumko no onye ke Nasir otum zinechiri kafoma. They are promising her that they are going to give her the legendary Brailong. Only Brailong. Ma wa busy one. Inti Sugar, you on your own. The modern day Asanto of Ghana, Jantrafo, Atopre. Ebwe choba ankayamba in Kwan competition. Ebwe choba wa kaya Kwan competition. Oroko Zim World Cup, Shugatiti. Ghana more the best of luck. Na Irina Pepe swinging nest. Ekom wopia wa wazi kwechira yenyim ho hwe. Disclaimer obiara nsomo. Because these are deadly zones in or deadly zones. We know these guys. They have track record. Perhaps someone our experience with pornography bit that Professor Weiss and nominazan in your legends be nominazan who to download the pornography team by 80 gig and those legends are there. Or be no more worship or read the credits. Obiane dina what the friend will be friend on some cartoons, he be friend morale, will be friend a day, will be friend a day. It's our lovely sister. And you cropping a about to your damon. Ona no nam no you rukono. Ona no nam no you rukono Shugatiti. Oh ya mi da no you wanam. No you wanam. No you wanam. No, you will go. Nti asra kwa lokwe kwa na katso Ghana yen enyim. Monko kogu yen hu fi because what happen ankasan ya nyaze. Nti I will say that boko world stage you know doing sex na katso yen enyim. We will not get problem. We not say you go feed deliver. Nti ko Ekosha almost 9 days. And you made the boy ringing one great upon and you're gonna start BAB. Now, boy, no who there. I'm bizarre. You know, come there to play. It's a sister. Shugatiti. Waka for international match. We wish her all the best in her career. What's say? Ubia kwana oba fadwama nansa kwana Sabi. Ona koshe kumene so dibe diza. Hey, shadow man. You know what I mean? All right, this is another fucking thing.
DJ Paco Rich.